Part 4. In this section, you will hear a speaker giving a talk and will answer questions about the talk. The talks will not be printed on the test. Select the response that best answers the question. You will hear the talks only once. Questions 33 through 35 refer to the following talk.
Good morning, everyone, and welcome to the Property Hour Show. I'm Eduardo Gonzalez, your talk radio real estate agent, and today I'll be giving advice to prospective tenants. Okay, so before you sign a contract as a tenant, there are several things you should carefully check. First, look at the location of the property. Are you close to public transportation and stores? Second, you must be sure that there is adequate heating for cold winter weather. Check if the heating system works well. Also, you should make sure the toilets and sinks are in good working order. Finally, you need to think about your insurance situation. Are your personal possessions insured by the landlord's policy? To get our brochure with a fully comprehensive list of what you should look for, drop in at our agency on the corner of 23rd and 2nd Streets. And now for a word from our sponsor.
33. Who is Eduardo Gonzalez? 34. Why is Eduardo giving this talk? 35. Where can interested people get the brochure? Questions 36 through 38 refer to the following talk.
You can stay ahead of your competitors in the way you handle complaints. If a customer complains about a product or service, don't react negatively. Think positively. How can you turn the situation into an opportunity for your business? Remember, a complaint that is solved successfully will lead to more customer loyalty. You should also remember that a customer who alerts you to a problem is doing your business a favor, since many customers with problems may have just taken their business elsewhere without bothering to mention it. Above all, remember that complaints must be dealt with as courteously, swiftly, and sympathetically as possible.
36. What is the main point of the talk? 37. What may be true if customers do not complain? 38. Who is the talk probably aimed at? Questions 39 through 41 refer to the following talk.
Remember, if you are sent a job offer, you must read the letter carefully. The offer letter should include several key pieces of information. For example, it should state the date when your new work starts, the starting salary and benefits, and a clear description of your expected duties. Does the offer agree with what you discussed at the interview with your new employer? If there are differences between the details of the letter and what was discussed, you need to be certain that these differences are acceptable to you. Finally, you should check whether you have to fulfill certain conditions before the contract can be signed. For example, you may be required to have a health checkup or to send in references or educational certificates.
39. What is the main point of the talk? 40. Who is the talk directed at? 41. What is not mentioned as a key piece of information to look for? Questions 42 through 44 refer to the following talk.
I'd like to introduce my new chewing gum removal machine, which I invented to take care of a big problem for cities everywhere: chewing gum carelessly dropped on the streets. You can see on this sidewalk that the used gum looks bad, and of course is a nuisance if it sticks to your shoe. Most traditional gum removal devices use huge amounts of water, high-pressure hoses, and dangerous chemicals to force the stuck gum off the sidewalks. But my new gum removal device uses much less water at a low pressure. Unlike other devices, this one can be rolled along by one person and causes no environmental damage. Also, it makes less noise and doesn't damage the surfaces like other systems do. Here, try this excellent machine out now, but watch out for those pedestrians.
42. Who is speaking? 43. What is the speaker comparing? 44. Where is the speaker? Questions 45 through 47 refer to the following talk.
Our guide to buying a home has been fully updated to take account of the recent difficult market conditions. It has been written by experts in the field of home buying who will help you to figure out what kind of home you should buy, how to estimate your price range, and how to negotiate the whole business of obtaining a mortgage and making a sale or purchase. Whether you are a first-time buyer or an experienced professional, this guide will tell you all you need to know about making this important step.
45. What is being presented? 46. Who wrote the document? 47. Who is the document aimed at?